video we're gonna make something. It's gonna be so tasty. So as you know, first we need to take puffed rice with some oily fried peanuts. Okay, then what you have to do is simple. Take this stuff called chili and curry leaves and take this stuff and put it in the oil. Then with that time you could even do this stuff. You have to take some garlic and then take some mirchi and then you have to do lots of. After you do a lot of time, take your own time, like so much time. Okay, let it do it. Okay, after that put everything in this container, in the puffed rice and this one together. You can keep it aside for a few minutes. We have to put this. We need to put this mustard seed for some time, like this. With jeera. Then we have to add this stuff over here. The mixture which we are done just now, we have to take it and put it over there. Then mix it properly. Take this turmeric powder and put it over there and mix it properly. We need to add oil if you want. After some time it will become like this. So don't worry anything if it looks very spicy. I can see this very spicy, right guys? So now what we have to do is take this and put it in this pot. It's gonna be very spicy, guys. Then if you want to like a proper mixture, we can just do it like that. And you can add more stuff also in this. Mix it properly. Mix it this side also, because the container is not that big. Last not the least, you need to take this and put it in this big container. Spicy, tasty, I just want to eat it. Then mix it properly until you feel it's correct. And if you want, you could eat this. Very tasty. So at last it looks like this, and you can, it'll be very tasty forever until you finish it, because there'll be nothing left in the container. So this is it. We're gonna have it now and then see if the taste is good. So I'm sitting in this place and I'm gonna have a taste of it. I wish it'll be tasty. Very tasty, guys. You have to try this in home. It'll work 100%. So tasty. You can't believe that nobody has made it yet. So bye guys. Watch this video. Thank you and like this video. Subscribe to my channel and bye guys.